The brand definition that I use, and you'll see some others, but it is what is in the head of someone when you say something. So if I name your company, if I say Walmart, something pops into your head. And as abstract as that sounds, that is what the brand is. And so the branding exercise is first figuring out what you want in their heads and then figuring out how to get that in their heads. It sounds exceedingly manipulative, and quite honestly, it is. That is done right. It's all for the right reasons, but it is a sense of manipulation, of trying to get a rational and emotional connection with your customers. To make the point, there is a brand that is the United States of America, and there may be, I don't know how many are on the webinar today, as many different thoughts popped into your head when you saw that, as to how you feel about it, what you think about it, how deep your connection is to it, what it stands for. That's the brand of the United States of America. That's not your identity, that's the brand. If we jump to the next slide, just to make this point, the identity, one of the identities, is the flag. And this is the equivalent of your logo.
To watch this full webinar and a complete archive of all Energy Circle webinars, visit energycircle.com/webinars.